All right, YouTube, here we go. Check it out. All right, we have, well, let me just read it for you guys. We have a bull here, but I can tell you guys, this is not a bull. All right, this is not a bull. You're going to have to come into our trades. I can explain it to you how this is not a bull. All right, we sold it. We sold it. We sold this ticker for a bear. All right. And there'll be a lot of stuff on this chart, bro. It would be buku stuff on this chart right here. But as you can see, I erase it for YouTube. All right. We uh we were wanting a bull, but this is not a bull. This is a bear. So we sold it. All right. But we knew that we were gonna get that bull come 212 trades, man. I can explain that to you right here. I think we got in, we sold it right here in that 40 area right there. I was enticed because of my markings. I had a mark right there. That mark told me that this thing was a bear. I sold it as an entice right here at 40. All right. It continued to be a bull for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours. All right, 5 hours to this position, to that 4740 position. All right. This thing was a bull. It looks like a bull, but what YouTube? What is this? What is that? That is a bear. This whole thing is a bear. Not only that, the fact that it's a bear, it's the fact that it is a bull. All right, it has to play out as a bull, and that's what this is. I know you're saying, man, that's a bear, man. That thing is weak. I'll never buy that. But brothers, we're talking about the whole picture. The whole picture is a bull. Just because she gave us this bullish thing right here, man, you got to come to our trades, man. Right there, bro. We got in right here. Price actually went against our position, about 20 cents right here. But as a respect, we knew that she was not going anywhere right there. I'm not gonna lie. She ran past that, gave us a little scare, but there goes that bear right there, man. That's what we wanted. All right. We got in the 40 areas right here. So that means we did not get out. We were looking for price to get down here to 46.40. So right here by the previous day's close. I'm only telling you guys that we have markings here. We don't need this red line, but for YouTube, that red line looks pretty good for you guys. But that's where we were, and as you can see, we did not get it. We are 40 cents shy of that. It's at 46.80 where it closed out right there. So we're 40 cents shy. Tomorrow we're expecting Wednesday to retrace and then pay out this position right there, pay out that 47.40 position. All right. I think Wednesday has enough to do that. All right. Come to our trades, man. I'm telling you, bro. I'm just giving you the fish, man. The fishing pole and everything else, man. Yeah, good luck on that. All right. Right here, man. There's another bull. Again, this is not it's a bull, but in the time and we were trading at the bell open right there and these candles, that's not a bull, that was a bear. We sold it. Again, YouTube, you got to come into our trades. I had a marking right where I wanted to sell this thing. It was right here. We sold it as an entice. Price paid out that position because she had to be a bull. She paid out that position right here to that position. We got paid out right here. It was 56.30, I remember, and we got it at 55.30 area. As you can see, we got paid out in this area right there. All right, to that position. Come to 12 trades, man. That thing was so easy, man. We blindly take these trades. All right, here's my bear, man. The bear was actually pretty nice and neat. We sold that bear with no problem. Actually, at the top of the thing right there, we sold it. You got to come to our trades, man. I can't do it for you. All right, right here, we sold it as a respect, and we had the confirmation right there. So this one for this position right here, the payout was the run of this little structured thing right here. Let's see. That was 11, 12, 1. So this is 2 hours right here, 2.5 hours. That price, we were almost there, man. We was like 10 cents away. Then price started to structure like this. I was thinking, oh, that's probably about it for that bear, man. She's probably gonna be a bull or whatever. But nope, that last candle right there. That last candle right there, brother. That was confirmation right there. And that candle was the one that paid us out from that position up there. And look, there's that shaded area to the pip. Look at Price did. She's interacting with that area to the pip. Go to the previous video. You're gonna see that this thing is blank and empty, but we have that shaded area. She interacted with it to the pip, and here's the other shaded area right there. I want to see tomorrow, Wednesday, give us another bear, give us a retracement. We're going to sell it. We want to see price get below this shaded area and head for this other one by Thursday. I want to see Thursday interact with this shaded area, and Friday maybe be a bull, just like in the last video that I just made previous, be a bull or be opposite of the weekly sentiment. All right. All right, YouTube, there it is again. That is not a bull. That is not a bull. I know you're saying, man, you got to be crazy, man. Look at this, man. Look at price. Look at price, man. How is this not a bull? Then what is that? What the hell is this? What is this? If that is a bull, this is a bear. This whole thing was a bear. We sold it right here. We sold that price. I want to say we got in it. Oh, this was the one that we got in at 51. So we were enticed. I had a marking right here. We were enticed that it was above that marking. We sold it right there at 51. And uh price did not pay us out. We was looking for a run of the previous day's close. I'm just saying that to you, YouTube. It exists. All right. The previous day close mark, it exists, but we don't trade it. We have our own markings, we have our own things. And right here at the um I think it's the 50. We wanted to see price run this area, but it did not make it. All right, we were 40 cent again, 40 cents shy of that. I want to see Wednesday give us a retracement, pay out that position right here at 50.40. Is that right? Let me see. I'm sorry, not 50.40, at 50, uh, 50, just $50 right there, 50.00. All right, man. Go back and look at the previous videos, man. I'm speaking, man. Man, I could be a fortune teller, bro. I'm telling you, this thing is crazy, man. Y'all got to come to our trades, man. We know where it's at. All right, YouTube, y'all all right, man. Hit me up. Peace.